It's connected to you. I'm connected to you.
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing my Lego. I'm gonna be making Moana flower pot. So it's literally, that's the character. So let's get open. So this side was I believe. Comes in 6 packets. And the sticker guide, which we'll put in the bottom here. And the instruction manual. Okay, so let's go. Alright, our first one is gonna do the character. Comes with Kua. Two. Either. So we're gonna find Moana. Oh, I see you. Oh, yep. There you go. So we're gonna put her body first. And then we're gonna put her head on. And then her hair. And then we need the heart of the Fiji. So I was gonna in here. Yep, this is the heart of the Fiji. So I guess I have like a holder to put my fingers in. Now where's the heart of the Fiji? Just to hold it. I'm just gonna spin it like that. Okay, there you go. So here it is. Moana and the heart of the Fiji. Okay, I'm gonna move these characters out of the way from them. Okay, gonna get on with these. So I'm gonna do a time lapse. Let's go. Okay, so now I'm gonna stop and I'm starting at bag 4. And then during that time lapse, I was struggling because I couldn't figure out why this piece wasn't going in. And then I figured it out and I was missing a piece. And the piece was this blue part. So that is why it wasn't going the way it was. And now everything is the same thing now. So everything is good. Just gonna chill now and rest because I'm straight up frustrated. Or was frustrated, but now I'm cool. Alright guys, this is the final piece. Ta-da! It's so cute! Oh my god, I love it. So, it just has a lot of flowers up on top. It's like a flower pot, Hawaiian pot, we would say. And then when you go to the inside, there are 2 rooms. So I still have to add the chest that is here. So I'll open it for y'all. So inside is just pineapple and coconut in here. So I think I'll put it in here. Hopefully y'all see what I'm doing. Yeah, it's supposed to be like that. So you're gonna open it. You can open it with one hand. Okay, I can. But it ain't gonna fit. Oh. Okay, and then the other, I'm gonna just chill. It's just neutral. So here's the final touch. So cute. I'm gonna fix the chest though. But yeah, this is Pua and Moana with her heart of the Tiffany. And yeah, it's so cute and complete. So I'm gonna post this on my laps. And then, yeah.